Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Drill machines are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best drill machines from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. YIOU 20V Max Cordless Drill. High performance, YIOU cordless drill is suitable for home use with a 20V 1.5Ah battery and charger. The lithium-ion battery of drill holds charge up to 18 months. 18+1 clutch and 2 variable speed, 18+1 position clutch provide precise control for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and all screwdriving tasks. The 2 speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1350 RPM, allowing you to choose different speeds to match your desired application. March 8 chuck and 248 INLBS torque. 3/8 keyless chuck of YIOU cordless drill provide an automatic spindle lock that enables one-hand changing with great accessory compatibility and usability. The 248 NLBS, 28 Nm, drill is a powerful tool suitable for all your home tasks. Ergonomic design and portability. YIOU power drill with battery weighs only 2.3 pounds and has a non-slip rubber-covered handle for being breezily operated in one-hand. Exceptional command. Number 4. Stalwart CD91 Cordless Drill. Versatile tool set. The 89 pieces in this drill set include a wide variety of drivers, bits, and sockets, allowing you to choose the best bit for each task. Adjustable power. Choose between 16 torque settings to apply the right amount of power for any material, and run the electric screwdriver in either forward or reverse to easily assemble or disassemble your projects. Cordless design. This cordless drill works on a nickel-cadmium battery that provides up to 5 hours of power per charge, so you can tackle fixes indoor and out. Durable carrying case. A well-designed toolbox includes a handle for easy transport and contains dedicated holding spaces for all 89 pieces of the set. This toolkit is a perfect addition to a collection of apartment essentials. Product details. Weight, 10 pounds. Drill voltage, 18V. Battery, 1500 mAh. NICD, color, black and red. Number 3. Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill. 24V lithium-ion battery. One battery system powers 100 plus tools. Greenworks battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging, providing 20% more power and 35% longer runtime than others on the market. 18+1 clutch and 2 variable speeds allow for precise control in drilling holes and fastening in a variety of materials with different clutch settings and 2-speed transmission, 0-380 RPM/0-1450 RPM. Half an inch. Keyless chuck and 310 NLB/35 Nm torque provides tighter retention and quicker replacement for bits, while the 310 NLB torque is perfect for working on different projects. Premium brushless motor. You get more power, cooler operation at high speeds, enhanced battery runtime and longer service life. 3-year warranty. All Greenworks products come with a manufacturer's warranty that gives you added peace of mind. Number 2. Bosch PS31 Max 2-Speed Drill. Premium performance to size ratio. The PS31-2A has professional-grade power at an incredibly light weight of just over 2 pounds. The performance-to-weight ratio makes this tool a great solution for electricians, plumbers, or contractors who do a great deal of over-the-head drilling or driving. Versatile use. The high torque and the convenience of 2 speed settings allows the Bosch PS31-2A power drill to tackle applications in materials such as drywall, wood, and even metal. Precision. This electric drill driver combo has 2 speeds, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM, and 20+1 clutch settings, allowing users to make precise torque adjustments for accurate screw driving and drilling. Durability. The Bosch 12V battery drill set comes with 2 12V lithium-ion batteries to provide increased runtime. Visibility. The cordless drill driver boasts integrated LED lights for improved visibility, allowing you to work anywhere, anytime, even in dark corners and low-light areas. Number 1. Worx WX176L Power Share 2-in-1 Cordless Drill. Switch between 2 bits instantly, no need to stop to change out a bit, just turn the head to cycle between your 2 most useful bits. Electronic torque control, get the perfect amount of torque for the task at hand, prevents stripping, peeling, and damaging the work surface. Same battery, expandable power. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. LED work light, with a headlamp right on the front of the switch driver, you can see what you're drilling in dark areas. 2-speed gearing, between the 2 speeds and the 12 torque settings you have enough flexibility to do every common drilling application correctly. 1/4 hex quick change chucks, when you do need that 3rd or 4th bit, the standard chucks accept all regular 1/4 bits you find at your neighborhood hardware store. 67-piece accessory kit, includes 46 assorted bits, 3 nut setters, 16 sockets, a 1/4 drive socket adapter, and a blow-molded case. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.